Thank you so much to DoorDash for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much to DoorDash for sponsoring this video. I just had to refilm that because I said it too excited the first time. I struggle finding outfit inspo. I'm so picky about what I save on Pinterest. I'll save things on Instagram and TikTok and lose them, and I truly don't like watching a little video for an outfit inspo. I want just a picture. When it comes to picking out an outfit day to day, I am not looking through a mood board. I am not looking through a Pinterest board to find the perfect outfit. I just want to get dressed. So how can I streamline this process? I'm going to use the first picture I see on Pinterest. Right now it's whether it's an outfit or not as inspo for an outfit. And we'll see if it's just as good. We're gonna do 7 outfits like we're doing this for a week, and because there's a 7 on my shirt. Let's do it. Okay, opening the Pinterest app. Oh God. And the first outfit is like a drapey white stripe, beautiful. It almost looks like a wedding dress with really big earrings, white shoes. So the main inspo I'm gonna take from this is that it is an all white outfit with like puffy sleeves. Let's see what we can do. I have this white skirt, but this is just like a totally different vibe. This is giving very like peasant. I mean, this kind of is too, but this is more like casual. And I mean, I'm only doing inspo. So do I want to do cream on cream? Do I want to do what I first thought of? I've got 2 options for puffy sleeves. I kind of think this green one is better. And we are so going off what the original concept was. I said I was going to keep it white on white, but now I kind of want to go more with the actual silhouette of the outfit. Would I have put this together without the inspo? No, and that's kind of the whole point. Maybe like a little cinched in belt. If I could find one. I need to go thrift like a new skinny belt. I wish this would work. This is from my purse. Ooh, this might work. This is a strap from my purse, and I like the green. So I'm gonna tie it and use it as a belt. Okay, that's silly, but it works. Now we've got this like draping going. She has just white shoes on, I think white little flats. This is so different. This is what inspo is though, and I feel like I don't know if you guys remember, and I don't know if she still does it because I'm not on TikTok, but Tiny Jewish Girl Clara used to do these like videos of recreating an outfit, and she would just do it where the outfit looked nothing like the inspo picture. It was honestly like my favorite series, and she is so funny and silly and smart and creative. Sorry, that's what this feels like right now. Like you look at that inspo picture and you're like, what? So we could do a little flat. And maybe I'll do the pink. I'll do this pink flat because it matches the pink skirt. This shirt is from Cezanne, newer. And then my skirt is from Etsy. These shoes are Jeffrey Campbell. I gotta move my mirror. Every time I film down here, I'm not in focus. So you guys tell me if I'm not in focus, please. I think it's super cute. What do you guys think? Little purse? Little brown purse? Very cute. Okay, so this was the inspo, and this is the outfit that I came up with from the inspo. Yeah, you will very rarely catch me copy pasting an outfit. I mostly copied the silhouette of this outfit, a little bit of the color scheme, and I think it's beautiful. Okay, there's outfit number 1. Before we get any further into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to DoorDash. I have had my DoorDash Dash Pass since 2020, so we're going on 5 years. When I found out about this opportunity to work with DoorDash, I literally screenshotted it, texted all my best friends, and was like, could you think of a better sponsorship for me? Every birthday, Christmas, anytime I'm getting a gift card, it's DoorDash. That's all I can ever want. I think it's so amazing that we live in a world where you can get anything you need delivered right to your door. DoorDash is your door to more. If you need anything, you can get it through DoorDash. DoorDash in my house is a ritual. We know any day that I'm filming all day and I come home and I'm tired and Brandon has been with our daughter all day, that we get to order food through DoorDash at the end of the day. I love that it's not just like chain restaurants on the DoorDash app. There's local small businesses that we get to support and eat their delicious food in a few easy clicks. Download the DoorDash app and get almost anything delivered. Use my code LANEY50 for 50% off or up to $10 on your first order of $15 or more. Limited time offer. You can also use the QR code on screen to download the DoorDash app. Like, this is the most natural thing for me to talk about. I think I talk about it on a daily basis. Got my whole family hooked. Live, love, DoorDash. Okay, let's get into the next outfit. Okay, so outfit number 2. I'm gonna go on Pinterest. We're just gonna refresh the page in that first upper left-hand outfit. Oh, nice, it's an actual outfit. Cool, I like this one. Button up, a black leather blazer, like tan pants, and an orange shoe or a pop of color shoe. So let's do the button up first. I have that. So some of them might be a bit more on the nose. I might be getting inspo from like a kitchen. My button up is a bit more fitted, but I don't think that will matter. I got this button up from my grandma's church rummage sale last year. I also got a pair of Tommy Hilfiger jeans from there, and they like have become 2 of my like most worn items. And I get to go tomorrow to the church rummage sale again. And I'm so excited because it's like pay what you think you should pay. What am I looking for? Like tan jeans. I think hers are like suede in that photo. I've got suede. These are more like velvet. They're army green and they're more, if not this though, I have cream pants, but I liked that hers were a bit darker. And we could still do like the kitten heel with this. I could do like my Dior ones, but these colors don't really go, so we might do black. I feel like black could work because my pants are a little bit more green tone. Do I not have a leather jacket? Where is my leather jacket? So my leather jacket's at the studio. I literally never wear it, and I'll keep clothes there I really don't ever wear. So we're gonna try this Dickies one because it's black. Hi, B! What's up, booger? Okay, so I have to change the shoe. I really like this shirt under the jacket though. Can you guys see, or is there a big beef jerky in front of me? I know, we'll go on a walk after, deal. I don't like that. I need to put different shoes on. Okay, go lay down and I'll come and get you when I'm ready. I've got these little green ones. Maybe I just gotta do black. These black Dolce Vita sandals. I don't know, sandals just feel a little funny because I feel top heavy. But I know like people wear this kind of thing all the time. I'm getting my glasses. Go lay down. Go lay down out there and I'll come and get you. Like what? He can't speak English? And then I'll do just the little clutch. I don't know. I really like the colors, but the shoes are throwing me off. Like, I love how this top part looks with the bit of layering because I would never do this. I love like a button down underneath the jacket and pulled down. I think it's really cute. Bean, you gotta go lay out there. Come on. This is the look though. I think it's cute. I just like can't stare at myself too long in the mirror, or I think everything's ugly. So I think this is good for what I had and the inspo of it. It definitely looks different, and I feel like I could totally change it just by having longer pants. But none of mine are the right color, so yay, next outfit. I'm sweating. It's finally getting warm. We've been lucky with all actual clothes. Oh, like see like this? I think that actually looks better. It makes more sense. It was so top heavy. And I just like don't understand the sandal with the jacket quite honestly ever. Like if I'm wearing a jacket on top, I think I need closed toe shoes. But this is really cute. I actually love how these pants look with these shoes. These shoes make like anything look cute. I swear, like the ankle strap helps so much. And I like it with this top. I think that's fun. Okay, sorry. Next outfit. Another capri. I think because I'm like clicking on, and a button up. I think because I'm clicking on these outfits, they're going to start looking similar. So maybe I'll have to like close the app and refresh the whole thing. But we can do this. She's got little like mule kitten heels, a Birkin bag, easy. Let me just whip mine out. Button up, capris, and like a baggy button up. Do you have to potty? Do you have to go potty? Yeah, let's go. This dog wants to go for a walk, but I want to go after I film. Okay. Oh, these zippers broken? Good to know. I don't have a baggy straight button up, but I feel like the silhouette to me is normally more important than color. I decided to go with a baggy denim button up. I would truthfully never wear this. I feel like baggy top and tight bottom make me look top heavy. I'm sure you can find a big picture of me wearing exactly what I'm saying I don't like, but in my head it makes me top heavy. Everyone loves you, but you gotta go. Lay down then. All the way. All the way. He is making this out of focus. Last video I had Lou, my daughter, like crawling all over me. And then today we've got the firstborn crawling all over me. Oh, and she had a big Birkin. I feel like to tie in the brown, I'll do this one. This bag is cuter than a Birkin in my opinion. I love when you look like a seal. Okay, that's fine. Good boy. You stay there. Okay, and here's the next outfit. This is like OG me filming. He won't walk on the studio because he's afraid of hardwood floor. So he will only go on carpet. That's why he's never in my studio videos, but he's always there in the background on the couch. You wanted to know. This does absolutely nothing for me. I'm not inspired by it. I think it's pretty boring. I just like don't like the premise of the outfit, which is the bit baggy shirt over whatever. Let's try and fix it a little bit at least. Stay there. If I'm gonna do a baggy top with a tighter pant, just add a little cinched in belt. Look how much better that looks. Maybe you don't think that looks way better. It's definitely a lot more dressed up, but we're wearing a kitten heel mule. Like, I'm not wearing this to be casual, and I think that just helps it so much. Would I ever put this on? No, but I don't hate it. I think that fixed it. Here's the inspo, and here's the outfit. Next outfit. Okay, I'm gonna exit the Pinterest app fully and then reopen it, and we'll see if the inspo is different. Oops, it opened on the same page. Okay, here's one. Sheer polka dot skirt, black mules, colorful bag, very cute. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do for this. Hers is like, again, I feel like I follow a silhouette more than a color, and she's wearing like a pencil skirt. I don't think I have a pencil skirt. I got these new tights from Swedish Stockings. They have such cute tights, and they're these white polka dot tights that literally just reminded me of her skirt so much. So I might put these on, and then the skirt won't matter as much because, oh my gosh, he's so warm. I just stepped on the spot he was sitting in, and my feet were like a sauna. Wow, these are so cute. They're so cute. I feel like those would make any outfit fun. So because I don't have like an A-line skirt, well, I have this A-line skirt, but oh, maybe I don't do the tights then. But see, this is still wrong. It's a little bit more A-line, and I want bodycon. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry. Might do a minier skirt. Ooh, I got it. This is a ballet skirt. I like wearing it for these videos, and I could see myself in the summer styling it. You definitely have to style it with tights because it's so sheer, and now I'm wearing the wrong undies for it. Well, actually, no, that looks good. I love this. Like, I want to see the line, and then we gotta do, she has like a t-shirt on and then her sweater, because we need that layering. Those little details where you're like, oh, well, I don't really have to put a shirt on underneath. Pay attention. So we need a shirt with a good neckline. This one from Organic Basics is so good for layering. Okay. And then we will do, I think mine should be, oh, but hers was yellow, but my skirt is pink. So we'll invert it, and my neutral will be on top. This might be too big, though. I need like a tighter sweater. I don't think I have a sweater that tight. I can just kind of like roll it up like that. Ooh, oh, she's got little black sandal mules on. Put my Dolce Vita ones back on. And then she's got like a pop of color bag. I feel like most people don't really play dress up. It's like when you have something to go to, you will try and plan an outfit. Sometimes you gotta play dress up with no rules and film it. Just film it on your phone. You don't have to talk to the camera, and look at it after, and you will come up with so many like outfit ideas that I feel like you never would have, and so many that you never would have that are fugly. It doesn't matter. You just like don't wear them. The end. Bag do I want? I think I want my little green one. There's this big beef jerky lying in the ground. Like, can you guys even see me? Oh yeah, you can totally see me. This is definitely like a more avant-garde look, but I think it is so cute, and if I like lived in New York or something, I could totally get away wearing this. If I wore this where I live, I would get some stares, but it's giving me some inspo for sure. I love these tights with these shoes. I like a tight and a shoe together. I think they're silly and fun and look cute. I basically just like adore these shoes. These tights with this skirt is really good as well. I could see myself wearing this bottom part. Something feels off about the top. Maybe just because the bottom's so summery. Like just a blousey top would look better with this. Yeah, I think it's really fun, and I never would have came up with this. And like, even though you see my undies, I think it's cute. Like, you're supposed to see through my skirt. See the polka dots. Here was the inspo, and here's my outfit. Okay, another button-down shirt. Like, why are we getting so many button-downs? A-line skirt. Pop a color shoe, white button down, oversized button down. First of all, I know I'm not gonna like this look. This is an outfit that I feel like only looks good standing and taking a photo. With my plaid button down, I think I'm gonna go for my flannel this time. It's still wide enough, or big, oversized enough. Also with a flannel or button down, you can't wear anything underneath. Whoever found out deodorant, like real deodorant's bad for you, Why'd you have to tell us? I think it's like breastfeeding. My hormones are just so different. Like, I used to be able to use natural deodorant. Oh my god, it's my enemy now. I just wish I never knew. She's got a pop of color shoe. I've got some options. I could also do pink. I've got, see, this blue's wrong, but this could be fun. I think I like this. And then just keep it with a green bag. My pop of color shoe is silver. And I feel like that's more fitting because I have a colored plaid, colored button up. Okay, that's really cute. This dog is right in my way. Okay, I think it's cute. Would I ever wear it? Probably not, but I think that this is another one of those outfits. It's adorable. I love it. But I can't stare at myself in this mirror too long in this setting. But like out and about, I feel like if I saw myself in a picture in this, I'd be like, oh my god, I look so cute. Or if I saw someone else in this, I'd be like, oh my god, they look so cute. These shoes are from the brand 7 or 9. I always talk about it. They are orthopedic level comfort. Oh my gosh. Both of my little like pump heels like this, because my other ones are Clark, are so comfy. These are next level. Like, I could walk the dog in these. Okay, let's go to the next outfit though, because my dog is patiently waiting. So cutie. Next outfit, second to last one, right? Super flowy top, mini skirt, clogs. So easy. I'm going to mess it up so bad. Let's actually start with, no, the top is going to be my hardest thing to find. So let's start with that because then we can match skirt to it. We could go for the silhouette or the sheerness, but I'm going to go with the silhouette. Like I keep saying, I think silhouette is more important to me than the sheerness. This is just like a big comfy shirt. I got it off ThredUp. It's like such a random top that I would never buy, and I wore it all the time. It's like an elevated t-shirt, which is basically just my favorite thing. An elevated weight tee. Now we can do a little skirt. Ow! Oh my gosh. Hey, you guys, don't do that. Don't fall down like that. It scares Ernie. Thank you for listening. I say to Lucy 100 times a day. Thank you for listening. Oh, that looks so cute. Dude. Okay, I'm gonna go walk my dog. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Just a different way to get some outfits in inspo. But remember to use the link in the description box to check out DoorDash. I love them so much. I'm literally gonna order something on DoorDash after the walk, probably during the walk. So it's right at my door when I come home. Oh my god, it's so convenient. But okay, I love you guys. That's the most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.